Start.
Good morning, children. My name is Mike Daryl Islanoy. You can call me Teacher Mike. At may hinandang energizer si teacher para sa inyo. At si teacher muna ang mauna. The students in the class go jumping jack, jumping jack. Jumping jack, the students in the class go clap, 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 and on to a day. The students in the class go shake, 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 shake. The students in the class go spin, 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 all to a day. Nanap po ba kayo mga bata? Maaari mo pang kasi tayo ang lahat para sabayan ng teacher. Students in the class go jumping, jump, jumping, jumping, jump. Students in the class go jump. Students in the class go shake, 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 shake. Students in the class go spin, spin, spin. Ate, bago po tayo magsiupo, tulutan muna natin ang ating mga basura. Kailan po ba? Sige na, magsiupo na po tayo lahat. At may nahandang mula si teacher. Handa mo ba kayo makinig? Ang title po ng ating tula is God Made Them All. God made them all. Rich or poor, God made them all. Don't matter if they're tall. Don't matter if they're small. God made them all. White or black, God made them all. Don't matter if their name Paul. Don't matter if their name Saul. God made them all. If you want to see eternity, you must love all equal. At lumama naman tayo sa ating storytelling. Handa na po ba kayo makinig mga bata?
Oo.
Dahil po na ating storytelling ngayon ay The Lost Sheep. A shepherd has 10 sheep. He cared for them very much. He watched over them in case any animals came to attack. Every evening, he took them back to the sheepfold and counted to make sure they were all there. One evening, the shepherd only counted 99 sheep. The shepherd was very worried and went out to look for these lost sheep. He searched and searched where was his sheep. Finally, he found it. It has got trapped among some rocks. The shepherd carried his sheep home and made sure it was safe. The shepherd was so happy, he threw a party to celebrate. Naintindihan po ba ang ating binasang storytelling?
Oo.
At may hinahanda katanungan si teacher. Unang katanungan, what is the title of the story? What is the title of their story?
The lost sheep.
Very good. The lost sheep. Pangalawa, how many sheep are there in the story?
100.
Very good. 100. Tatlo, what have you learned from the story? Ikaw, Day. Sige na. What have you learned about the story?
Bisa nawala ang sheep di bangka dia punya bisa asal.
Okay, thank you. Ikaw. Ikaw.
Ako kung sa story na nawala kung siguro sa pinaka-idea ng may pala.
Very good. Ito lang po nagtatapos ang ating story. Goodbye. Goodbye, class.
Oh.